Okay, so you can blame Train by Aaron for this one. I just thought I'd do something silly because it's the holidays and you don't normally get a lot of views. But he was talking about these junk bots which you could get from Amazon. So this was £15 for two, about £7 each. I've got no idea how much they are normally. Apparently you can't get them anywhere other than Amazon. So I thought I would do a box opening or a crate opening. So let's when Aaron showed me this on his recent video, which is here, he just showed some of the stuff that was in the box, but not everything that was in the box. So I thought I would just go through the experience, and you never know, there might be something that you can use for scratch building in here. So apparently you have to undo the lock, unlock the chain, search through the trash, discover and build your bot. Okay, so are these both going to be the same? How do we unlock it? All right, just like that. Okay, nice chain. So there's trash in it. All right, I like this already. What a load of plastic junk. So it's got chirp. So is that a robot? What I was really interested about in this is that there appeared to be some electronic stuff in there. So I wanted to look at that and take that apart. Oh, that's like a... That feels like it's slightly motorized. Or at least there's clockwork in there. I assume these are all of the little ones that you'll get in there. So that's a cooker. I don't know whether these wind up. All right, lots of these funny little boxes and bags of stuff. All right, that looks like a light pipe. That might be useful. I'm assuming these big things are the parts of the robot. So it looks like we've got a cooker robot, a whatever that is, and that looks like it could light up. I don't know. Aha, how about that? It's got a switch on the back. Right, okay, little LED in that. So that's what I was really interested about. What can we do with that? I mean, it's green LED, it's quite nice. So if the little light pipe goes in there, then we can pipe that green light into something else, into another model, or change it. I'm going to take this apart in a minute, screw on it, which is good. All right, so that's one of those. Is there another? No. It looks like you get one light thing in there, and then the rest of it is junk. I wonder what's in these little garbage bags. I mean, they're funny as well. Oh, there's another light pipe. So is there another? Looks like there's only one thing. Oh, no, that's got a switch on. Excellent. All right, so that's two. Oh, wow, that's a little motor. All right, that's fun as well. Okay, a teeny little motor for something. All right, lots of little parts in that box. Okay, so sort of trash in it. I mean, that's the point of it. But we've got two. Well, that's the motor and that's the light. Nothing else seems to have a switch on. Right, so what's in the other box? Is it going to be different? Is it going to be the same? I mean, I bet there's people who do box opening of these anyway, but just interested in the electronics really. But I might be able to scratch build something. Right, is this going to be the same things? Right, so it looks like this has got different robots in it. Some more of these bags. Yeah, so these are all the different instructions for the different robots. So it looks like I've got a second bag. Let's put all the little trash bags out the way and just look for things that light up. Another light pipe. Like these little boxes are just empty boxes with nothing in, I don't think. Yeah. That's cool. God, I might use that on a tonk. All right, so that looks like that's the same base as that. Hang on, I wonder. So if I put the motorized bit in there, what moves? Okay, that is pleasing. Wonder if you can light up the centre of that as well. Is there a little hole for a light pipe that goes in there? Not sure. So what did the other ones do? Try that one. Ah, that explains the clockwork. So this one should have it as well. One didn't want to play. I'm not sure what this one's supposed to be, but fun nevertheless. All right, so I'm hoping I've got another motor unit in here. Looks like his eyes might light up. Can find out whether the pipe must go in at the back there. Another motor. Another body, different body that is. Yeah. Oh, this one's got some extra bits of card with cutouts on. Did the other one have that? No. Right, so I don't know what they're for. I suppose I can just build all these things anyway. Where's my bit that lights up? That's sad. Looks like there's not a separate light unit in this one. Oh well. All right, so what's in this? So there's two motor units there. Two motor units, but it looks like there's not two light units. Okay, so what's in the light unit, and is it going to be able to completely come apart? Oh, just noticed you can put several. It looks like you can put 2 or 3 of these in together, maybe. So you could put three of those in at once. There's 3. Yeah, and if I could be bothered to fit them in, then you can get 3 lights up. This bit's really interesting to me, actually. There you go, all 3 of them are lit now. I think what we can use this for is probably the most interesting out of this. Wonder what is in the bags. I wonder if it's just, oh, there's a little open bit. Is it just more teeny little parts? All right, yeah. Or maybe the light thing for this other robot, if there is a light thing in all of them, is in one of these little bags. I won't know till I open them up. All right. Still want to open this up. Oh, there's the light. What am I doing? Right. Okay. There's my 2 lights. Great. So I must have 2 motors somewhere, or not a motor. Something like that. Oh, I've lost it. This is just way too exciting. So let's undo that and see what's in there. Because this is a train by Aaron inspired video, I'm going to use the wrong screwdriver to open this. Assuming there's just going to be 2 batteries in here, which young children can eat and hurt themselves with. Which is why they're always put in with a screwdriver. All right, so it's two, I refer to these as laser pointer batteries. I mean, actually, look at this, right? All this is, there's a switch there that feels like a proper switch, to be honest. But then there's a little leg that goes there. I reckon that leg just goes to that LED. So if I was to push this open, I can find my spudger. If I can spudge this open, I think we're going to find that it's literally just an LED in there, a little 3mm LED, and the legs come out to these connectors, which go through the switch. It's nice that they've given you just a little lip that you can get into there. See the light shining through that a little bit, which implies you can get into this. And it might be that just sawing that a little bit is all I need to break the seal. We'll see. Oh, there we go. Great. So still needs a little bit more encouragement, I think, from down that bit. Oh, and there's some pins in here, so it looks like I'm going to be able to glue this back together again as well, so that's nice. So it's hackable. You see that? There's more in this than I thought. The LED leg comes down to here and goes into the back battery terminal. Then that terminal, that battery, the other end of the battery goes to here. Then that goes to the other side of the battery positive, or whichever it is. And then the other side of the battery comes out and goes to that switch, and that switch goes to there. All right, so the LED is between there and there. So you'd have to rebend, if you were fitting a different LED in this, you'd have to rebend those legs, but those are the two solder points and the rest is just automatic. Actually quite a nice little hackable design, and it's got a proper switch in as well. So that's pretty good. We like that, so I think we can probably see it working if I can find the other battery, which has jumped into hyperspace. So if you put both of those in, I think as I'm going to push them in, the light should still come on. Yeah, bit flickery, that's because I'm shaking now, but yeah. So some interesting bits inside these junk bots. Don't know what I'm going to do with them now. Probably build some robots. Right, hope you enjoyed this silly little holiday video. Bye. Oh, I do get quite a lot of bits in it. Cool, I just knolled it all out, but there's loads of robot bits that I could use for this. That's really, oh look, there's a switch there. I wonder what this bit does. Oh.